My name is Kyla Kelly, and I live in North Saanich. A fun fact about me is that I grew up oral speaking and I'm fluent in ASL. To explore what I want to do, I was in Pathways. I don't know, I'm still exploring, but I really love gardening. I love plants. I like the edible plants, like how you make them into tea, and the native species of plants.
Some of the things that we really know about you is like your self-advocacy, that you're very able to speak for yourself, but that's also very tiring to always have to advocate for yourself.
I mean, it's a job, right?
It is a job. Like you're always like, where's the mic? Put the mic on. Is the mic charged? When I think about when we first met you to who you are now, I see your courage like a great huge neon sign.